Alright guys, there's not so much to add about the Bitcoin price action because the price evolution, this breakout, I already mentioned that possibility before, so everything is pretty much evolving in the way that I kind of depicted in the previous videos. And today I would like to show you a couple of things, and I will start from this one, and this is the announcement about the deadline for the rehabilitation plan from Mt.Gox. It was delayed several times, so currently it is on December 15th, and a lot of people are expecting that if this plan is announced and a lot of Bitcoin in the possession of Mt.Gox would have to be distributed, so they should be sold on spot or maybe OTC or whatever, but in any case it's the selling pressure which should affect the price. In that case we might see the decrease in price, and it might be very significant because they have a lot of coins in their possession. So December 15th, and here is what I saw on Twitter and how to handle this issue. So generally on CryptoQuant, what you can do is you can set an alert. So I'll just show you how to do that here on your account. It's like even on free account you can do that. Click on alert, then you can go with this tab. You should choose outflow total, and then it goes above, let's say 0.00, let's say point, right, 0.001, and then choose, instead of all exchanges, you should choose Mt.Gox here. So there you go, and maybe execute it only once, and you can choose the way of the alert, so an email or Telegram. I prefer Telegram. And then when you click set alert, it would suggest you to switch to your Telegram, and basically then you would have to see this CryptoQuant alert bot and click start. There will be like a chat window with several buttons, so you click start and then it would set up your alert being ready. So whenever the funds will go out from Mt.Gox exchange, you will have the notification on your Telegram. And then if you're actively trading or you're afraid that this might affect the price in Bitcoin, then you could actually do something with your positions and at least be ready with things which are depending on the kind of FUD news regarding the Mt.Gox distribution. And another thing which I was going to show you is some updates on on-chain analysis from Glassnode, and there are several things which I would like to point out. First of all, they are showing this reverse risk chart. Basically, it shows when the investors feel that the market is kind of bullish, so they're confident in the price going up, especially long-term holders. So you see this green area is at the bottom. This is kind of a bearish period, and red area is definitely the peaks in the price. So currently we are actually going out of that zone. Keep in mind that we already had this situation before. That was pretty much at the beginning of this rally, but it didn't cancel the fact that we actually had the massive dumps after that. But in any case, if we'll consider that point after the long accumulation, something similar to what we had here, maybe this is the beginning of the bull market, at least Glassnode believes so. Another one is the coin days destroyed. The value of this metrics is going up, well, with some oscillations of course, but in any case that means that old coins, old addresses start to move, and maybe some hodlers are selling their Bitcoin. And a similar thing happened, for example, here or even here when there was a lot of panic during this dump and so on. So in principle, that also might mean that long-term holders are closing their positions. It's a kind of a bearish, but not necessarily long-term. And finally, this is a very interesting chart regarding SOPR. By the way, I think I covered all of those metrics before, so you can find those in my videos if you really want to. But SOPR, we did refer to that indicator many times. It shows the end of the corrections on the bull market, and basically here what we have right now, it's really high. And what the analysts from Glassnode suggest basically is that if we have the correction period at the moment, then probably it will end at some point when the SOPR signal hits this line. which is 1. So you can also find that free on Glassnode website, and it actually makes sense. So pretty much same happened in the previous bull market. So we can see the point from where we can add to our long positions, especially again if it is not the fake rally and if we are continuing to go up. Of course, we can see something like that, or maybe even like this. So it doesn't mean that we will definitely go there and the correction happens for sure. But if it does happen, then this is the point where we might consider buying or increasing our long positions. All right, guys, that is it for today. Probably next video will be again video on altcoins, as I just did last time. We'll look at some of your suggestions, and for today that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Safe trading, and see you next video. Goodbye.